We have the 6 workshops in our factory, and as you can see, this is the 5th workshop. This workshop will produce the stone quarry machine. As you can see here, there are 7 machines here ready to ship. Okay, now let's go to see this workshop. Some machines are ready and some are not ready. As you can see, there are many models here, the big and the small. This is a little small. As you can see, the white is a little small, but this one is more bigger. So you could just choose what you want. This is some parts of the quarry machine. As you can see from here, you can see this machine is much bigger than this one. So that is because the different models are different. For this machine, it has the saw blade here. You can see it is very big. You can see the man here and see the machine here. This is very big. See? Here is the operation station. You can do all the operation there. So in the next workshop, it is our bridge saw cutting machine. I could also take you to see. We also have many different models of the bridge saw stone cutting machine. See here, these electronic components are like the Schneider, Siemens, so the quality is guaranteed. Okay, I'm going to show you the whole view of our workshop. So many quarry stone cutting machines here, and most of these are the stone bridge saw stone cutting machine. This machine is a water jet machine. The worker is packing it and it's ready to ship. This is our office building.